Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today, we are going to be making a honey mustard chicken and veggie kebab situation. The weather is getting really nice outside, which means that I really don't want to spend all my time inside in the kitchen. So, this is something that I grill outdoors. You can use this marinade and make it all year round. Just put it in the oven or fry it however you want, but I love using this on the grill. It's really easy, it's delicious, and again, it comes together super quickly. So without further ado, let's get started.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second, yeah. You're being over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough.